The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, or the MMRDA, which is the planning and execution body for MMR's infrastructure plans, was recently allotted a budget of over 4,000 crores for this fiscal. How is the MMRDA going to spend this money, and what are the new priority areas for MMR? Ashish Bhatia reports.
Another fiscal and another budget for MMRDA. But the worry is, will it be able to utilize the funds this time and complete projects on time? The Maharashtra government allocated 4,240.78 crore rupees to the authority for the 2014-15 fiscal.
About 15,000 crores of projects are on process, which is already on. I'm not saying it has to get on. And more 36,000 crores of rupees project are about to declare by the government.
Here's what MMRDA's budget 2014-15 broadly looks like. Of the total 4,240.78 crore rupees, 634 crore rupees has been allocated to the metro lines 2 and 3, 400 crore rupees has been earmarked for the existing monorail network, rupees 1,000 crore for the extended Mumbai Urban Transport Project or MUTP-2. Mumbai Urban Infrastructure Project 1 has been given a modest sum of 215 crores. Extended Mumbai Urban Infra Project has been allotted 650 crores. Another 219 crore rupees have been allocated for water resources, solid waste management and improving civic amenities. Experts have given a thumbs up to the state government's newfound focus on transport and area development projects.
There is a lot of emphasis on the transport infrastructure, the rail infrastructure, and there are certain area development programs. So MMRD, in addition to municipal corporation, is giving a focus on the cleanliness and the hygiene of the city.
While there has been a 5% hike in the budget allocations for the current fiscal, allocations over the last half a decade have nosedived, from Rs 6,650 crore in 2009-2010 to 4,250 crores in 2014-2015. The slow pace at which projects progressed last year forced the government to downsize its budget midway. Adding to its woes, the authority got pulled up by the Controller Auditor General for delays in the MUIP project. The CAG in its performance audit report revealed that only 38 of the 157 items of work were taken up for execution as of November 2013. Speaking exclusively to NDTV, the Mumbai Metropolitan Commissioner said it was more to do with the change in prioritizing projects.
We shifted our priority from roads to public transport. So we told the government that, look, we have done a job, the main projects, the major ones we have already tackled, the rest of them should be taken up by the municipal corporation concerned. So we can't keep on spending on this and ignoring public transport. So it was a conscious decision which we had pointed out to CAG officials as well.
Experts feel though MMRDA is primarily a planning body and not an executing body, it still has a mandate to see that projects get implemented in a time-bound manner.
Since the inception of MMR plan, which was done in sometime in the mid-90s, they have not still been able to implement those plans, and the new regional plan which is coming in about end of this decade. So whatever annual budget they are getting, they have to complete those projects which is already identified by this plan.
Experts also say MMRDA needs to be aware of choosing the wrong execution model. For instance, a PPP model instead of a cash contract model for a project like Metro could spell doom, simply because the same execution model isn't applicable to all projects. That apart from here on, to increase the pace of execution of projects, MMRDA needs to learn to delegate to local urban bodies rather than failing in attempting in doing it all. With camera person Suhas, Ashish Bhatia in Mumbai from NDTV.